How to access coils for cleaning on the ch33-50/60c-2f. The unit lies horizontally. Any pictures of this?
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. To properly clean, you should pump down refrigerant, cut coil loose and remove it to clean outside. You will remove the panel on coil, pump down refrigerant, slide coil out and take outside to clean. If you are just wanting to try to clean in place, you can cut a hole in ductwork to access the back of the coil on side air enters. Here is a video of proper cleaning with coil removed. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = v8op3w. Here are a couple of pictures of the coil itself. It will be dirty on the side air enters. If you cannot remove it as mentioned, cut an access in ductwork and vacuum the fins. Be careful though not to push dirt in between the fins, as that will do more harm than good. Also be careful not to smash fins. Do not attempt using a wire brush, as that will damage fins. Let me know if I can assist in any more details. http://i.imgur.com/cpu.png http://i.imgur.com/excerts.png.
Can I send you a picture of what I'm talking about? I removed a panel that exposed the coil, but can't get to the inside part of it. Looks like I would have to take the top part off to get to it. There would be no other way as far as I can see.
You will have to either pump down refrigerant and slide coil out, or cut a hole in ductwork to access the back side where dirt is.
As you can see, if you got the picture, there's no way to access it by cutting through ductwork. I guess you can only cut it out and remove it.
http://i.imgur.com ps6alpha5.png.
Looks like I would have to remove the whole top and back side, all one piece, in order to access the coils in a way that I can clean it.
It will not be easy for sure. Do you need a pump system down and torches to re-weld coil back in?
Beyond my skill set. I just wanted to be able to do some maintenance myself, which includes cleaning the evaporator coils. So, a tech would have to take the entire coil unit out to clean it. They would do this yearly if hired for routine maintenance. Most likely, anyway. It just really sucks that it's oriented this way so that a person can't easily get to the coils to clean them. Was hoping you might have an easy way, something I was missing. That picture you sent, that is the air handler to the right, there is no ductwork there.
I understand the frustration. If that is air handler, it will be necessary to remove coil for cleaning. Normally, if filter is kept clean and ducts are sealed, coil will not get dirty. Most contractors get between $400 to $600 to pull the coil and clean it.
I had water streaming out of the eave this summer. I used the wet/dry vac on the drain access pipe and that cleared it up. I just thought maybe it was due to a dirty coil.
If you have kept filter clean, coil really should not be dirty. You can get some tablets at Lowe's or Home Depot to put in the drain pan of coil to help with the fungus building up, causing drain to stop up. See link below, http://www.homedepot.com/p/AC Safe Air Conditioner Pan Tablet 6-pack AC 912 100,665,383.
There was no water in the drain pan. It got clogged without overflowing into drain pan. Maybe just mold or mildew clogged it up. Anyway, that's the reason why I wanted to clean the coils. I guess I'll seal it back up if there's no other easy way to clean them.
The algae is a natural process of evaporation. The tablets sit as pan and dissolve, and as water flows they help keep drain from clogging. But you are correct, there is not an easy way to clean the coil if it is indeed dirty. Either removing the coil or removing the air handler. Thanks for letting me work with you. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Leaving a poor service rating will not automatically refund your money, but reflects poorly on your expert. You have to request a refund if not satisfied with the information provided being accurate.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.